We have an interesting setup on gold right now, about 1 to 22 risk to reward ratio. Let me just show you what I'm looking at right now. So you can see that right now the Asian session has already been taken out, and we can see that the market created a downtrend right here into this zone. I'll zoom out just in a minute. You can see that there was a downtrend which is happening right now. We have a QML, we have a low, we have a higher high and a break of structure to the upside right here. And right here you can see that we have some sort of liquidity which was left behind. And right now what we're anticipating is for the price to come and take out this liquidity, come into this POI, where you can potentially see price to the upside right here. And right now you can see that we are targeting just a high of this particular, just above the Asian high right there. That's where our target is. But let me show you what is happening on the higher time frame. So you can see that the market is actually tapping into a higher time frame key value right here, which is this area right here. You can see that the market has been going to the upside for the longest time, and now it given us a major pullback, and this can be that turning point right here. So the market has literally just tapped into my zone, and right now I'm looking at how it's reacting from this area right here. It has already reacted, but if you look at this stop loss is just way too big, right? So from here to here, it's about 90 pips stop loss. So we can't trade like that, guys. So I had to go all the way to the 3 minutes time frame to be able to actually refine my entries and all that. So you can see that one company that I always wait for is the Asian season to be taken out, and you can see that this was done successfully. Therefore, what I want to see the market do is that I want to see it to actually come and actually test this imbalance which was left behind right here. Then I would be interested in actually buying this particular trade right here. So you can see that the stop loss is just 13 pips and the target is 300 pips. It's just the high of this Asian high right here. So as soon as the market does that, I'll be able to execute this trade and I'll be able to share in our private community. As you can see, the focus has already been shared. I can say the good focus has already been shared, so we're just anticipating that price to pull back into this area. So as you can see right here, we're running a promotion, guys, as we're coming to the end of November right here. So we are running a Black Friday early promotion for you guys, where you get our M&F mastery course for 50% off, including our signals. So make sure you take advantage of this offer before it actually expires. All right, so make sure to check the first link in the description and for you to be able to actually get this course. All right, so you guys, let's get back to our chart right here. So as you can see, the market is almost actually to my zone right here. So let me just cut right now before this trade actually goes in my direction and I miss out. All right, chase.